Despite several forms of workout available today, yoga is still the most trusted and the best method to tone and nourish your body. In this video, we'll look at 5 yoga asanas which will help you remove that stubborn hanging belly fat and make you look more good and give you more confidence. Hello family, I'm Vivek and you're watching Fit Family TV. Since these asanas work deeply on the core, they will help you eliminate several stomach-related issues like gas, bloating, constipation, along with reducing that stubborn belly fat of yours. Just make sure to perform each asana at least 5 times and for 30 seconds each. The first asana is Pawanmuktasana, and it is made up of 3 words. Pawan means gas, Muk means release, and Asan means pose. So it means gas release pose. To perform this asana, inhale slowly and raise your legs to a 90-degree angle from the floor. Bend both the legs at the knees and rest the thighs against the abdomen. Hold the knees with both arms, hands holding the opposite elbows. Now bend your neck and place your chin on the knees. Continue to maintain this asana for 30 seconds and breathe normally. If you do this asana correctly, it stretches your neck, back and legs. The abdominal muscles are compressed, which increases the blood circulation and stimulates the nerves. The pressure on the abdomen releases any trapped gases in the large intestine. Your digestive system is improved and it reduces the fat in the stomach area, thighs and buttocks. Ardh-Uttanpadasana or leg raised pose. To do this, lay down straight with your legs extended. Keep your hands close to the body with palms facing down. Now inhale slowly and raise both your legs together and bring them to a 30-degree angle. Keep breathing normally. If you do this asana correctly, you will feel an extreme pressure in the abdominal area. If you can't raise both your legs together, then you can perform Ardh-Uttanpadasana. Lay down, inhale slowly and raise one leg to 30 degrees while keeping the other leg on the floor. You can hold this asana as long as you want. And this is one of the best asanas to reduce that fat hanging on the belly area. And now change the leg and repeat with the other leg for 30 seconds again. Nouka asana or boat pose. To do this, lay down with your legs extended. Now inhale slowly and raise your legs to a 45-degree angle from the floor. While holding your breath, raise your shoulders and back from the floor and now place your hands on the thighs and try to move them towards your feet slowly. If you can't touch your feet, keep your hands on the thighs and maintain this asana. Just breathe normally. And if you can't perform this asana, change the starting position and instead of lying down, sit straight and then lift your legs. This is going to be a bit easier for you. And when you are comfortable with this, you can lay down and do the Nouka asana. Setubandhasan or bridge pose. It comes from the Sanskrit word setu, which means bridge. This pose is called the Setubandh because in this asana our body looks like a bridge. To do this asana, lay down on your back and fold your knees. Keep your feet at hip distance apart on the floor. Arms beside your body with palms facing down. Now inhale slowly and lift your lower back, middle back and upper back off the floor. Keep your abs tight and breathe normally. Feel the pressure in your buttocks and the stomach area. Breathe normally and maintain this position for 30 seconds at least. This asana is going to give you a lot of strength in your back muscles and relieve the tired back instantly. It also improves digestion and is also very good for women in menopause and menstrual pain. Ustrasana or camel pose. For doing this asana, kneel with your thighs perpendicular to the floor and your knees and feet hip distance apart. Now keep your hands on the waist. Inhaling slowly, bend back a little, lifting your chest towards the sky. Now reach for your heels with your hands one by one. If you can't reach the heels, you can tuck your toes under so you have a little more height. Now look at the sky and maintain this position for at least 30 seconds. This is a very beautiful asana that stretches the chest, the abdomen, and helps in removing that stubborn belly fat and tightens the core, improves the posture and opens up your heart chakra, which is your energy center for love. I hope you enjoyed the workout, and I'm sure you're going to lose your belly fat if you perform these asanas every day. Give it 15 days and trust me, yoga will change your life. Share this video with your friends and family and help them. If you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new here, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon to become the part of our small family. Thanks for watching. I'm Vivek, you're watching Fit Family TV. You're the family.